let's say you purchase a couple single-family homes or a duplex, in 30 years from today, when that loan is free and clear, and that's if you take the whole 30 years to pay it off. For some people, that's going to be the best case scenario. For other people, I know a lady spoke at the Salt Lake Real Estate Investing Association. She had picked up I believe she picked up 6 properties, and she did that in a 10-year span. She paid all 6 off. She basically paid more than the mortgage payment that was required every single month. So within 10 years, she purchased 6 properties and had them all paid off free and clear. So that rental income, and if you can imagine, each home is bringing in almost $2,000 a month. For the sake of simple math, let's call it $2,000 a month. 2 times 6 is $12,000 a month. Minus expenses and other things. That's a pretty healthy retirement with only 6 properties. Let's just say you did that with 3 properties, right? Got those paid off free and clear. Let's say you did that, depending on your age. If you're young, take the 30 years. Do whatever you choose. But maybe you want to do it quicker. Maybe you're a little bit older and you want to get this paid off sooner, like this lady did. Then put a little bit more extra into the mortgage payment. You're going to have to do some calculations to determine how much extra you'd need to put in to have them free and clear by the time that you were hoping, your goal time. But let's just say you had 3 properties, all renting for $2,000 a month, all free and clear. That's $6,000 a month. Probably a healthier retirement having that $6,000 a month coming in when you're 60, 70, however old, versus not having those properties, right? So this potential economical correction that people are anticipating, predicting that might be coming, as I mentioned, even the acquisition lead guy for Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad Poor Dad, in this interview is guesstimating that we are in for that downturn, and they've sold 3,000 of their 10,000 units to prep, to get ready, to have cash to purchase more higher performing, valuable assets, in this particular case, real estate. For those of you who don't know who Rich Dad Poor Dad, or you don't know the book Rich Dad Poor Dad, or Robert Kiyosaki is the author of this book, New York best-selling author. Highly recommend reading that book. It talks about getting involved in real estate.